Hello everyone, welcome to my English class. Today in this class we will discuss a very interesting poem of Robert Browning, that is My Last Duchess. Robert Browning was born in 1812, the son of fairly liberal parents who took an interest in his education and personal growth. Browning is a major Victorian poet who voiced the mood of optimism in his works. For Browning, the intellect was more important than the music. His great knowledge was the result of his self study and travels. His reputation is higher as the writer of dramatic monologue. At the age of 12, he started writing poetry. Shelley influenced his mind, and Byron was his favorite poet. Browning lived and wrote during a time of major societal and intellectual upheaval, and his poems reflect this world. His genius lay not so much in his choice of subject matter or setting, but in his craftsmanship. The fascination of his poetry owes to his strong portrayal of characters and his wealth of detail. The poem My Last Duchess is a first person narrative story. It is one of Browning's most widely known dramatic monologues. The poem first appeared in Dramatic Lyrics, published in 1842. It is a tale of jealousy, passion, murder, etc. The Duke of Ferrara is the speaker of the poem, and he pictures his wife as unfaithful. The listener is the messenger who has come to negotiate the Duke's marriage to the daughter of a count. The poem is loosely based on historical events involving a Renaissance aristocrat. According to the Duke, the Duchess had a heart too soon made glad by such things as watching the sunset, etc. Browning's effective use of irony makes the readers aware of Duke's jealousy. Going through the summary of the poem, let's try to understand what is dramatic monologue. In dramatic monologue, there is a single speaker. In the present poem, the speaker is the Duke. There is a silent listener. In the poem, the listener is the messenger who has come to negotiate Duke's marriage. There is an abrupt beginning and action on the stage. The speaker is distinctly different from the poet. A monologue can be a combination of drama and poetry. Along with the revelation of a speaker's character, the present poem and monologue in this poem also reveals the innocence and graciousness of Duchess' character. That's why it's very much clear to understand that the poem My Last Duchess is a dramatic monologue because it fulfills all the qualities that a monologue poem has. Duke of Ferrara is the speaker of the poem. In a very microscopic and psychological manner, Robert Browning describes the character of the Duke as a very jealous and possessive husband. He begins the poem by the line, "That's my last Duchess painted on the wall." Further, he tells the messenger about the painting of the last Duchess. He also references that how her looks went everywhere. So, the speaker of this poem is a 16th century Italian duke. His wife gives attention to other men, that's why he hates her, and this affection causes the speaker to kill her. The Duchess is a lovely and innocent woman. She is free from all cunningness. She greets everybody with a sweet smile. She always thanks people for the ordinary gifts. She is full of innocence and simplicity, who fell a victim to the cruelty of her jealous husband. As we already discussed, the speaker of this poem is a duke. His wife, the Duchess, has died. The poem is modeled after Alfonso II, a Spanish nobleman, and his wife who mysteriously died. The poem starts on the point that Duke shows the messenger the picture of his dead Duchess. In this poem, the Duke holds a picture of his deceased wife behind a thick curtain. He looks upon her beautiful picture and recounts the life they shared. He describes his wife as gentle, humble, and innocent. He comments on her habits, nature, and character. But instead of seeing her beauty, he sees her imperfections. While doing so, he expresses his opinion and his own character. At the end of the poem, we have learned she died mysteriously, and the Duke is in search of a new wife. To conclude, the poem My Last Duchess is a very powerful piece of psychological poetry, formed in rhyming couplet in a single long stanza, and is one of the best examples of Browning's talent for developing character in a persona. I hope this video will help you to understand the poem My Last Duchess and the poet Robert Browning very clearly. Thank you for watching video.